Hello everyone. In this video I will be showing you the only way to make her regret leaving you. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. Relationship breakups can be traumatic. It can be horrifying to consider losing someone you care about, and it's only natural to want to make them regret their choice. However, it's crucial to understand that revenge is not healthy and should not be the goal. Instead, the focus should be on personal growth and self-improvement. Just begin by improving yourself. Focusing on yourself after a breakup is among the most crucial things you can do. Spend some time thinking about your goals and the areas that require improvement if you want to be the best version of yourself. This could involve everything from improving your physical health and fitness to picking up a new skill or pastime to advancing your profession. You'll feel better about yourself and be more appealing to others by putting your attention on yourself and making positive adjustments. Just be self-reliant and independent, because someone leaving a relationship could do so for a number of reasons, including a lack of independence or a partner who is overly reliant on them. You may prove that you can take care of yourself and don't need anyone else to do it for you by displaying your independence and self-sufficiency. She'll realize that you're doing well without her and that you're not moping about or waiting for her to return, which will make her regret leaving you. It's crucial to keep in mind that people frequently end relationships because they feel like they aren't getting what they need or want, so all you have to do is show her what she is missing. You can convince her that you are the one she needs and that you can give her what she wants by pointing out what she's missing. This might be accomplished through word of mouth, social media, or just by being the best version of oneself. By doing this, she'll begin to understand that she erred and ought to have remained with you. Keep calm and wait for time to pass. It's critical to keep in mind that healing takes time. It's normal to want to make the ex-partner regret leaving you as quickly as possible after a breakup. But it's crucial to exercise patience and allow time to pass. You'll be able to see things more clearly as time passes and the hurt and fury will start to disappear. She'll eventually regret leaving you because she'll see that she's not as happy or content without you in her life. So by being patient and not rushing things, you'll be able to concentrate on yourself and your own progress. So thanks for watching. And if you are new, please make sure you subscribe and turn on post notifications just so every time I upload you won't miss anything.